The Bulls versus the Bears. Get in the game. www.tackletrading.com.
Hello everybody, this is Coach D with TackleTrading.com, here to give you a quick market update and an overview. We're going to be doing this in conjunction with the stock report. So just starting out here looking at the market, it's a little later in the evening, around 9 p.m. Mountain Time, 11 o'clock Eastern, and taking a look at right now, the futures are trading down. So if we were to take a look, just to get an idea of where the market's finished up for the day, take a look at the heat map. You'll see a relatively mixed bag, some green, some red. But as you looked at the major market indices and the futures and whatnot, most things were trading down. And with the futures live right now, we're seeing most things kind of kicking down. So here we are looking at let's look at a daily time frame. Capture all the major market indices. And what you're going to be seeing here is that last candlestick. So the previous candlestick was the close for Tuesday. This is showing the overnight trading right now. And across the board, you're going to see those red candlesticks kind of pressing down in after hours trading. So let's take a look at that on Thinkorswim real quick here and take a look at the E-mini S&P. Crack that open. And here on the big weekly time frame, just to make sure we got this in perspective, you've got a gigantic kind of macro M for murder. That's a key support zone. It's just been pressuring that, and you got that big 200 period moving average moving up. Trend zones, the tighter trend channel's already been violated, but there's a looser trend channel in here that you can still catch. If I could redraw that, maybe we can catch that a little bit better. We can kind of ballpark it out in there. So there might be some trend support down there, and of course the big number 1800. But for now, let's take a closer look at that on the daily time frame, and you'll see that this is today's close, this green candlestick here, and this is the after hours trading, and so we're really kind of pressuring down that key support zone, which has been between 1880 and 1860ish between the index and the futures, and we're seeing that pressure down. Now there's nothing saying that can't recover by morning, but we got to watch out for any sort of negative news, negative trading coming out of China and Europe. You got some European central banking news this week, and outside of that, the economic reports are pretty nominal, but wouldn't be overly surprised if the market broke down. It is already range down. So one of the challenges we have as the market's range down is that, yeah, it can go lower, but a lot of the trades and setups are overextended. So, barring a breakdown here, you can see some continuing run. But if we do get a revision to the mean, be very cautious on that bullish move, and really what we'd be watching for is a rally and then looking for the bearish setup to drop is really what we'd be after on that. So let's take a look at that real quick here, just on an intraday time frame. So you can see that here's 30-minute chart. You can see this is again after hours, and it broke that key support, today's low, and inverted cup and handle. So we're seeing some, again, downward movement. So we'll have to keep an eye on that into tomorrow's open. And just to kind of put it all into perspective, let's take a quick look at the volatility index, the VIX. And looking at it from a perspective here, the VIX is trading just above 25. And here's a real quick rhyme for you to help you memory hook. The VIX, whenever it's greater than 26, that's a big clue. Magic number VIX 26, it rhymes, that options are getting pretty spendy across the board. Premiums are creeping up, and so that'd be a better time for selling premium. This would mean naked puts way out of the money. You could do naked calls, you can do bull put credits, bear call credits, and so look for the right technical setups to match those, and again try to build as far out of the money as you can and collect that extra premium you're getting from the increase in the volatility index. I'll take a look at the sectors here in a moment. We'll do that in a separate video, but this is again Coach D with TackleTrading.com. Keep your eye on the ball and trade with the trend.
Get off the sidelines and take control of your financial future at www.tackletrading.com. Get in the game.